Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's DIY with Lauren K. I have a friend who paid a lot of money to get her kitchen deep cleaned and she was not happy. So save your money because I'm going to teach you how to do this. Grandmas, tias, and Mexicans swear by this jabón Roma. It removes grease stains and so much more, you guys. To deep clean the kitchen, you're going to need warm water, jabón Roma, bleach, and a rag. Grease stains have to be one of the toughest things to get out, but watch how it disappears. Boom, gone. That's the power of jabón Roma. So I put in my jabón Roma soap. Gotta get the water hot. Your bleach. I'm gonna start cleaning on the right hand side and work my way around to the left side of the kitchen. This side only has 3 little cabinets, so that's why I'm starting here. You see how dirty that is? Oh my goodness. So that's pretty much it. You're just gonna keep scrubbing it with the jabón Roma, the warm water, the bleach, and the rag. So those are the things that you're gonna use to just keep scrubbing it and remove all that grease, dirt, and gunk off of your cabinets. So once you remove the decorations, you're going to see all the dirt. You're just going to want to scrub that right off using the same thing. You guys, my grandma did not approve of me making this video, but I told her that it was highly requested. So here's her making fun of me. It's time to clean your plants with, yes, jabón Roma. It's safe to use on your plants. I know what you're thinking. That sounds crazy, but it works. Look how good it cleans it. It gets all that dirt and stuff that gets stuck on there. It cleans it off really good. Trust me, your plants are gonna love it and they're gonna look clean and shiny. Now it's time to remove the dead petals from your orchid, and you're done. Let's clean around the window frame. The window is the focal point of the kitchen, so cleaning it up is going to brighten up the room. Right here I have a bread rack, and we're going to clean it with the same stuff. Now it's time to reorganize, clean under the cabinets, and clean off the counter. Now we need to wipe down the washer and clean the bottom cabinets. We are halfway done with the kitchen. We are cleaning the other side of the kitchen cabinets and the decor. Here we have my sweet husband making breakfast for all of us, and guess what he's making? Chorizo, the messiest thing of all while I'm deep cleaning the kitchen. It's totally okay though, super worth it. Can you tell which one is clean? Which one's clean and which one's dirty?
Yeah. Oh, that one's clean, that one's dirty.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did he guess it right? Let me know in the comments below if you guessed it right. Yes. You got it right, Miguel. Which one's clean and which one's dirty? That's what we're doing. Can you tell?
Yes.
Which one?
It's this one.
But that one's wet.
Yeah, but that one's clean though.
Yes, it is. Video of me cleaning it. Zoom in. Seats. Okay, yeah, let's just do the top. Ooh, let's do all the top. Alrighty. Dip the towel in the soap. Yes, it's recording, so don't say anything crazy. Oh. All the grease. Hi, Mommy. Wait. Can you see the difference? Boom.
I'll show you this.
Clean. I want to show you guys.
Alright, so like
Boom.
this has to do so beautiful.
Boom.
So that's like 3.
We are almost to the end of the video, so please share your input with me about how this cleaning process is going.
Porque cantando se alegra cielito lindo. Los corazones, el mío y el tuyo. Así lo pongo, mija.
You guys, wow, look at these results from the left to the right, the difference in how clean it is because of the jabón Roma. Let me know if you want a clean kitchen like this.
Yeah, I thought you were just gonna like use that to clean the top.
It's to record. I'm gonna put my phone up there, so hopefully this works. Let's try it out.
Can't you record like
All right, we are tackling the other side. Let me know what you think of my new device. Don't forget these areas. perfect for these tiny, tough spots. Next, you're gonna dip your toothpick in the jabón Roma and you're gonna clean the creases off the stove. Look at all that gunk. It makes all the difference in your kitchen. Now we've worked our way up to the microwave. These are the creases that we are cleaning out all this gunk. And we are done. This is the final result. No more grease on the ceiling. It is completely gone. No more gunk on the cabinets. No more dirt. Nothing. We are complete and we are finished with the deep cleaning in the kitchen. Let's take a final look. Okay, you guys, that's it. We made it to the end of the video. Please let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.